Right, should be live. Testing, testing. Very cool. Alright, well, hello everyone. I don't know how you stumbled upon this, but it is currently 10:20 a.m. p.m. I'm rocking about 5 hours of sleep, and to reset my sleep schedule a little bit, I've decided I'm going to be following this blog post article called How to Build an Agent. So let's get to it. This is my first time live streaming, so I'm just kind of doing it for fun. You're going to be listening to some background music and hopefully shouldn't interfere too much with when I'm speaking, but who knows? We'll figure that out. Yeah, this is just kind of me testing to see if this is something I want to do, so don't expect anything too special. Yeah, I think if I'm going to do this for real, like make videos and stuff, I'll be more animated rather than just kind of me being bored and talking to a screen, but maybe we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. Anyways, speedrun time, how to build an agent. Let's look at this here. Alright, I've never used Go before. It looks like I'm going to be needing to do some API key stuff, which is great because I'm on stream. I suppose we can practice some operation security here. Okay. Looks like there's some Go stuff here that I've never encountered before, but we can certainly try it. Do I need to install anything? That's what we do. Let's install this then. They say if you spin your mouse, it loads faster. Looks like that's not the case. Or maybe I need to spin faster. Maybe we can keep looking here a bit. Maybe while this is loading, I can grab my key and turn off your guys' video really quick. Nope, that's me. I don't think there's a way to do this without cutting the music, so be right back. Okay, never mind. Turns out there is a way to do it without. My password is in my password manager, which I guess is supposed to be expected. If I paste it, actually wait, yeah, let me see, let me make sure that if I paste it, it's fine. First I have to look up how to make an environment variable. Oh my god, dude. I just want to read this. I don't want to read your article. Okay, I think this works. Hopefully I don't leak it. Music incoming, 3, 2, 1. Do I have to refresh it? And if so, I hope that doesn't clear the environment variable. Did I do this right? Oh, okay. Sure. I wonder what this .mod thing is. Go module definition file. I suppose this would make a lot more sense if I actually knew what Go was, but I don't. Okay, YouTube's telling me to increase my bitrate. I'll do that next time, I suppose. Okay, let's just paste this in and then we'll look at it. Okay, import main, or package main. Import a bunch of these things. What do we call this thing? Environment variable. This is perhaps not the right project to tackle on 0 processing power and having never seen Go before. Interesting. Sure. Is this a loop? No, you just run it, okay. It looks C-like, this language. Which by default looks for Anthropic API key and can get a user message by reading from standard in on the terminal. Sure. Maybe I should be typing this in rather than copy pasting, but function run that returns a pointer to an agent. What is A? Is this a type? Sure. Oh, it's the name. I suppose that makes sense, but why would you put the name first? Where's FMT coming from? Oh, it's up here. So here's the for loop. What is this? Oh, is this like colors or something? This Anthropic package is doing a lot of heavy lifting. A is the agent. Do we have this run inference method? I'm not seeing it. Oh, it's down here. Wait, weird. Okay, so this is the method receiver. It makes run as a method attached to the type agent. That's weird. I'm used to seeing this stuff like declared under here. I'm probably not using the vocab right. Oh, weird. That's a strange language feature. I learned something new today. That's so weird. So like I can have my agent or I can have my struct all the way up here and like my function can be all the way down here. That's really interesting. So okay, what am I looking at? It takes in context a conversation array, returns an error. A.client, what is this? Okay, again, Anthropic stuff, sure. 1024 max tokens. Okay, sure. Where is this conversation getting printed to? Where's the... Yeah, okay, I see. Okay, oh, I see. So we need the conversation because the model API doesn't retain it on its end. It's not like one of these chats on the web API. You need to send the whole thing in. Cool. I don't think I've seen nil before in other languages. It's usually like nan or none, but never nil. Oh, there's probably a language that uses zilch, huh? Most important thing in them is the line and the run that lets us, it's the loop and run that lets us talk to Claude. First print a prompt, type something, edit to conversation, and then Claude responds. Alright, let's try this. What does that do? Package main is not in standard directory. Am I in the right? Oh, it's... I think this is the right place. Package main is not in. Huh? Oh. This says my Anthropic API key is not available. I'm gonna crash out. It's magic! Alright, well, we gotta follow the tutorial, so we gotta make sure we type this in too. Oh! Yeah, okay. So I will mute the stream again while I fetch my key. Be right back. I might have to re-provision that. No? I don't think so. Anthropic underscore API underscore key. Yeah, it's not in the environment variable. All right, exports. Okay, should be good to go. I will resume the music. Why am I here? I should be here. Again, we have to follow the tutorial to the letter, guys. Wow, it actually lines up. That's really funny. I was expecting it to be different because, well, I mean, this wasn't published too long ago, and I guess Anthropic hasn't released a new model since, but it would be funny. I guess I expected the temperature to be... making it different, but maybe it's exactly the same. Okay, so that's missing a dash here. This seems like kind of the same, but it's removed the. It's added Thorst and the to the front of this. These are all different. Or no, Cantor's the same. Thorsey and Hoofington are two different ones. And the last one's also different. And the final message is also different. Yeah. I think stories like, if you've read Hyperion, there's a good mini story in there about how identity is persistence. Okay, I trust this. Oh, that's fun. It makes me think about how with these models, like sometimes it's a self-fulfilling prophecy in terms of like what stuff they're trained to predict and respond with and what training data we give it in response. Don't know if that made any sense. Each tool we're going to add will need the following: a name, description, input schema, a function that executes the tool. Sure. Let's do that. So what are these that like, because these aren't functions. It's a type. Oh, it's a different struct that's like under it? What is get? Because like get user message reads to me as a function. It is a function. So why are we defining it out here? Why are we defining run out here? I guess because it like actually has content, or is it up here? It's in main. Can we... Okay. Okay, I see. We're passing it down through there. Where are we here? Okay, do we have tool definition in here? Yeah. Does go through a hissy fit because tool definition is defined down here and we're referencing it up here? One way to find out. Yeah, okay, so we have to add that in there. I'm in the wrong place, aren't I? No. But I do have to add it in here. Which makes sense. Why does it have the array thing behind? That is odd to me. I never knew how to use the walrus operator in Python. That's all I can think of when I see this stuff. So does this mean it's a function here? I have to imagine. Is this like an actual... Where's context coming from? Okay. This is run inference? No, this is just run. Do I need to install like a... I'm used to being able to like command click on these and it takes me to it. Maybe I need to install something for that. Is that what this is? Nope. Restart update checker. No, I don't think I will. My humming probably doesn't make sense because my headphones are not connected to the laptop because there's too many audio streams coming out of the laptop. It's trying to punt to YouTube and also to my headphones, which just makes it scratchy. So I'm listening to my phone audio, which is not at all connected to what you guys are listening to. You guys are listening to like free Scott Buckley videos, music, and I'm listening to Pink Pony Club. Okay, so what are we doing here? Tools. Do we need to edit the message or the function declaration? Nope. You just add this stuff in. Arabic tools are an array tool union. This is such a strange language. Sure. Why, like, does Go not have strings? Why are we saying anthropic.string? Also, is this a Go thing to have these, like, tab indents, or is this just the author being pretty? Oh, okay. He mentions it. He's not going to try to explain anthropic.string and tool union param. Yeah, what the heck is that? Tool union param. Oh, is it just like a collection of the tools? I guess so that's what like this is. What a strange choice. Yep. This makes sense. Okay, let's do read file. I think I'm just gonna copy paste all this and then read through it. Actually, no, yeah, it's late. Bro, hello? What happened? Am I going crazy? Why can't I select this? Maybe I do have to type it. Dude, am I going insane? Why can't I select this text? Am I having a stroke? Okay, there we go. Also, this is a lot longer than I thought it was going to be. I thought it'd be quick. It's taking up some amount of time. I mean, it is pretty quick, obviously, but... Okay. Also probably because I'm taking it slow and my brain is being slow. We appear to be missing some bits. Okay. There's so many types. Is this a comment? I don't know how to parse this. What is this? Okay, so read file input schema. What is a struct tag? Oh, interesting. It's like a code accessible comment. Okay, I don't know how to read this. Read file input is a variable we're assigning to the value of Are we declaring the type here? No. Yes? I understand we're unmarshalling the JSON, whatever that is, and we're just placing it in this variable. Parameter of type JSON.raw message returns a string. Create. Oh, you're making it. Okay. Make an empty read file input struct. Let me see if there's anyone in here. Okay. New value of a struct with 0 values for all the fields. Yep, that'll do it. Okay, that's pretty simple. You just return the content. Generate schema. What is this? What does that mean? Oh, you're declaring a variable? Why didn't you have to declare... Why didn't you have to put var in front of that? Am I missing what that is? No, you can just do that. Is var different? What is reflector? Oh, it's this one. Where's JSON schema coming from? Is that just native to Go? $0.3 of a cent just went down the drain just for this. I don't actually know the API cost. Two descriptions the models will see. Description that describes the tool itself. Yep. Yeah, okay, so it's not native to Go. What was I thinking? You obviously need to import it. Yeah, I think I would parse this if I had more brain power, but I'm just going to take it at its word right now. This is pretty cool. Ah! Did I repaste stuff? I 100% did. 118. Yeah, so this just doesn't need to be here. What's in main.go? Huh? It wants to use a tool. The output will be different, but it certainly sounds like Claude knows it can read files. Oh, we don't listen. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Right, because, like, duh. So I'm assuming what this change does is that it sees if tool use is called and then waits for it. Yeah, cool. Nice. So this is in run. Let's do that. Read user input. It's true. This all looks the same to me. I gotta start using these in my code. These are cool. these little like color flags. They're very pretty. Okay, I checked my phone and just ruined my focus. Where were we? So this is new, as expected. Total results is an array of... Bro, how many types are there in this? I mean, I've encountered like 2, but... And they're all named very appropriately. It's just new to me. That's it. I don't know why I'm typing this out when I could be copy and pasting it. What is up with this FMT line or library? What does that stand for? Formatted input and output. This makes sense. Did you have to import that just for the colors? That's really funny if so. I really approve of that. That's nice. That's a good use. Is tool results? It's an array that gets refreshed on every loop. Yeah, okay. Oh, because it can, I guess it can add to it multiple times. I wonder if it's reading main.go, when it responds, if it like, if each new line is added to this array. Or if it's like multiple calls to a tool. Or what happens. I don't know what I'm saying. Never mind. Ah, that's not how you spell it. New user message. Okay, confession, I don't actually know what this does. I've seen it in JavaScript, but I don't know what that does. Good thing I have someone I can ask. Variadic arguments. Oh, so you just, yeah, okay. So you just put everything in there. So that each item is passed on its own argumentative function. Ooh. Interesting. Cool. Oh, there's more. Is this content block RAM union. Okay, just say the word. Why do we put var in front of some things and not others? Okay, sure. Is this something that the agent's getting? Or the model is getting back? I'm just gonna copy this because it has all this stuff on it. Is this the same color? Seems like it. Cool. What does that mean? That's not how you spell meaning. How do you pronounce it?
Mise en place.
Oh, you guys could hear that. I can't because I have that muted. Seconds go.
Mise en place. Mise en place.
Mise en place. I've never learned French in my life. Except for just now. Oh, you're not supposed to do that. Nice. That's pretty fun. Does it know how to do that? Can it see all the directories? We haven't given it the tool to, I think. I think it knows that there's no tool for this. Yeah, okay. Nice. Uh, is it like a Go thing that when you have a main, it's mango? That's got to be a meme, right? That's pretty fun. I want to hook this up to like a diffusion model, or otherwise we'd have to like stream it. Diffusion model just because they're like really fast. Come on. Someone has come up with this. I'm not the first one to notice. This looks like mango. Yeah, this is pretty cool. I might call it after this. Oh yeah, I mean, yeah, that's funny. I'm just gonna copy paste this. Ah, where are you? 209? Do I need to add a undefined file path? Do I need, is this like a library? That is the first time it's mentioned, so. Okay, so I don't know what that means. I will give it to the bot. Yeah, that checks out. Cool. Can it recursively use tools? Yes. Very nice. That is fun. That's pretty cool. Ooh, edit file. There's a dot. Where did that come from? What is this? Oh, that's pretty ugly. Dude, can you imagine if we gave it like console usage now? This would be crazy. Yeah, I'm tired, so I'm skimming over all these. Sorry. Undefined strings, undefined path. I think this guy knows what packages. This is pretty cool. I want to give it terminal usage so bad. Ah, that's really neat. Does the, I mean, this is what I get for skipping the limitation, but places old string with new string, writes content back to disk, returns okay. That is sick. That is very cool. I'm just gonna read what this says. Nice. Oh, it's not a reasoning model, so it might not get this. Oh, it did. I don't know why I'm doing Route 13. This is really fun. This is really cool. All right, well, hope you enjoyed the stream, the 0 people who were watching. This is me trying to, I'll just see what the live streaming thing's about. Um, I'm gonna stop the music. Oh, it's been paused this whole time. I don't know. I mean, I guess we can see if it was better for the stream or not. But yeah, if you're watching this, you're probably watching a recording. Hope you had fun in the last hour where we made an agent based on this tutorial. I suppose I'll link it in the description. Don't know if I'll keep this video up, but yeah. See ya.